Hey friends, are you ready for this? I just got the Liene PixCut S1, and not only does it print photos, it prints waterproof stickers and cuts them out just like a Cricut cuts out vinyl. I've worked with Liene products before and they make a darn good product. A while ago I used their portable photo printer to make some fun photo pendants, and it's still one of my favorite projects. I was a bit intimidated when I opened this box, but honestly, I was able to start printing stickers in 5 minutes. They make it so easy. Now that it's unboxed, the first thing I'll do is slip in the ink cartridge. It only goes in one way, so just slide it in until it snaps in place and close the door. Easy peasy. Now turn it around, flip down the cover in the back, and remove the paper tray from the top. This is where you put your sticker paper or your photo paper. I'm starting with sticker paper because I cannot wait to give this a try. Flip down the little blue tab at the top and slide in the stack. Push the cartridge into the lower part of the printer. It just snaps right in. Plug in the power, turn it on, and let's quickly download the app here on my phone. When I say quickly, this only takes a minute or two. Go to the App Store, type in Liene, download Liene Photo, and open it and connect your printer, and you're ready to go. Lucky for me, they have a ton of Mother's Day stickers to choose from, so I'm going in and picking some for my first sticker sheet. When you press the image, it's automatically added to your canvas, and you can arrange them any way you want for printing. Now I just press Make It at the top, then Cut at the bottom, and it starts printing. The printing process goes through a CMYK process and prints one color at a time, and then it laminates the page on the final pass so that they're waterproof. Once it's printed, it shoots out to the front of the machine for cutting. I'll remove the lid on the next set of stickers so you can see exactly how it's working. Are you kidding me? This is amazing. Now to make my Mother's Day gift personal, I'm making stickers of a few photos I have of me and my mom over the years. The app allows you to remove the background and cut around the shapes, or you can choose from a shape template like circles and squares. It's really easy to navigate, and I am notoriously terrible with technology. If I can do it, anyone can. Once we go through the CMYK printing process, again we'll head to the front to show you the inner workings of how it cuts. I'm making another sheet of circular images for this project, and I think I'll have enough to make what I want to make. Before I start my project, let me quickly show you how easy it is to print photos. Switch out the sticker paper for the photo paper and replace the cartridge in the back. In the app, click Print and then Classic Photo Print. Once you scale it to size, it prints the image and you can see it coming to life with each color. Tear off the perforated edges, and there you go, an amazing high-quality photo. Okay, if you need a gift for mom that she will use over and over and that will remind you that you are her favorite child, here it is. I'm going to personalize this travel mug with all of these stickers. It's so easy, your mom is going to love it. Just trace around the insert shape, fill it with your stickers, add the insert, and screw on the bottom, and you have the perfect Mother's Day gift in no time. Let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure to check out the Liene PixCut S1. I love mine so much, you are gonna love it too. Right now, Liene has a Mother's Day promo for 15% off. I'll leave a link for that with the code in the description. I'm gonna leave a link for everything I used for this project in the description below. Thumbs up if you like this video, leave me a comment and I will get back to you. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and press the notification bell so that you know I have a new video. If you want to see content that I don't post anywhere else, check out my Patreon page. And for inspiration, grab any one of my craft books. I think you'll like the Big Ass Book of Crafts, and I will see you real soon. Bye.